Balance of Nature Whole Health System Whole food fruits and veggies and spice powder drink mix superfoods, antioxidants and natural fiber digestion support 30 servings each https://healthy1.life/fiber. Whole food fruit supplement. Balance of Nature fruits is made with aloe vera, apple, banana, blueberry, cherry, cranberry, grapes, grapefruit, lemon, mango, orange, papaya, pineapple, raspberries, strawberries, and tomato. Whole food veggies supplement. Balance of Nature veggies is made with broccoli, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, cayenne pepper, celery, garlic, kale, red onion, shiitake mushroom, white onion, spinach, sweet potato, wheatgrass, and zucchini. Whole food fiber and spice supplement. Balance of Nature fiber and spice is made with whole psyllium husk, whole flaxseed, whole apple, whole monk fruit, allspice, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, coriander, cumin, fennel seed, fenugreek, ginger, mustard seed, nutmeg, and turmeric. Whole Health System. A discounted bundle that includes all Balance of Nature whole food dietary supplements, fruits and veggies and fiber and spice. High-quality ingredients. Gluten-free, non-GMO, keto-friendly, and vegan. This dietary supplement is also free from added sugars, fillers, and synthetics. Products are good 1 year from the manufacture date, MFD, on the bottom of the bottle.